Yes, and welcome back, guys. And we're gonna go straight into Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum, and you can see from here that is here to here is around 19 days, and I'm gonna give you from this state from that was where the drop is, the 3rd of February to around the 23rd of February, and then we've dropped, come all the way down here, 7th of April. Now we're heading back up. So if I just squeeze this in for you here, and we'll just take a closer look at this. This is the 4 hour, guys. This is the 4 hour on Ethereum, yeah. I'm predicting, you see, this is a shoulder, this is a head, and this could be another shoulder here. I'll just open this up for you, yeah. This could be another shoulder here. I'm just going to draw it in. So from here where we are, could come back up here, hit that, come back down, yeah, come back down, and then come back up here to around the 5th, was it 4th or 5th, I believe, and then could be change of direction up, yeah, over, retest, and then I've come out of it, but yeah, retest, and then straight up here, like so. Let me just put this down for you so you can see. Straight up here, continuing this, sorry, from here, yeah, just continuing in this upwards momentum straight up here. That is for Ethereum, yeah. And if we do the markup, we take the marker here from here to here. This is where it could be going here, and we come up with that like so. So we could be coming up to here around 42, 4256, somewhere like that here. So I'll say it again, it's the shoulder, the head, and I could make another shoulder here. I'll just draw it in for you. Oh, that was it, but it just I just moved that, sorry. So here, yeah, and then we'll move this down as well. We could definitely be looking in an upwards momentum direction, guys. Everybody here on Ethereum and all your Ethereum meme coins after should pump, yeah. So that is in Ethereum. So now with that, we're going to go straight to OMIKAMI, and I know everybody wants to go into OMIKAMI and see what's been happening, because I'm still on holiday. I'll be back tomorrow, and at the weekend we'll do a very in-depth look at my meme coins and the ones that we've talked about before, and see how they've been progressing. So let's just take it from here. So we're on 31.53 million. Market cap 1.1 million, liquidity 11.47k holders, and 61.36k in volume. Here was we're up now, plus 2.26%. So again, this looks different. Yeah, it looks different because it crashed. The DEX tools crashed on me, so all my previous markings were down. So I've tried to have a little time on doing this new chart, but it's still OMIKAMI, and we're still on that downtrend, as you can see. But now on the 4 hour here, yeah, I can blow this right up for you. On the 4 hour, we've been staircasing up. So let me just give you a really good view on this. So here, guys, here we've been staircasing up here. So keep on going like this, and as you can see, this blue trend line here, that's the one we're following. That is the one we're following. And for me, it looks like it could have been a head and shoulders there from this point here. That's the shoulder. I'll draw it in just in case you can't see it. That could be the shoulder there. That could be the head there. And this one could be the other shoulder. I'm not saying it is, but I'm saying if it does, it could come back down here. Or my other prediction, because we are going up here and we've hit that white trend line here already, we could go up here following that blue trend line and come back down. Yeah, hit it again, try again, and come back down to these markings here, guys. These markings here I've got down here, all these magnet lines down here before it goes up again. So from here, guys, my next, I'll blow this up for you just to show you here. All right, let's put this down a bit. So the next magnet lines here, down here, guys, 2680. Remember that 2680, you'll write it down. The next one is 2587. So these two are the first ones, yeah, the first ones. And as I said before, I'm not selling and I'm not buying, at least till it comes down here. I've got a sector down here, guys, and that is around 2100. So that would be at the end of May. But the first ones you're going to be looking for, this one, 2673. This is roughly, guys, 2580. So if it reaches these ones, we're going to go down to these lower levels. So I still think we're going to go down, guys. I still think we're going to go down. So do what you want to do. If you're impatient, if you're not impatient, just hold, wait till it comes down here, and we'll be making millions, and everybody else in OMIKAMI will be making millions, because we will be adding more here to our bags. Yeah, so here I'll circle it and I'll just make it a white color. Hopefully you can hear me, because there's plenty of noise going on down here. I'll be back in my new studio soon, and here's another marking down here. That is the final line I've got down here. That's at 1660. If you want to know, 1660 here is the final magnet line. I'm not saying it's going to reach that, but I just have that drawn in, just in particular. And if you want to know, and if you want to follow what I'm doing, that I have there at the end of June. So that is because this is a new mapping chart here on Dex Tools, because for some reason it crashed. This crashed and I had to make a new mapping. Yeah, so my target is like this at the moment, guys. If you really want to know and you follow me here on this channel, I think we're going to come up here off this main white trend line here. We've hit it already. I think we could easily come up again, hit it, and then start working our way down here to these lower levels. Yeah, guys, and I know what you're thinking and what you might be asking me. Around the 22nd here, where's the 22nd? We can say there, we can say roughly around there. It could cross here, it could go down here because of that news outlet from OMIKAMI and RYUJIN. We don't know, it could come up here, it could be in already, the news could be in already, and it could still pump back down, or it could fly. But me personally, we're still heading back down, guys. We're still heading back down yet. So remember, I told you to save your money and see if you can buy more way down in these regions down here. Yeah, so that was OMIKAMI, guys. Let's bring you to RYUJIN now, and it's the same sort of thing. We are on, let's see what we're on now. We're on, okay, when this wants to 12.13 million market cap, 696 liquidity, 1013k holders, 82k in volume. It's gone down minus 1.27, and yeah, this also looks different. As I said, everything on Dex Tools just crashed on me. So we're starting from the beginning, but we know where it's heading, guys. So this is the same outlook as pretty much of OMIKAMI, maybe a bit ahead of it by a week or so, a couple of weeks maybe. So we've come up here Yeah, we've come up here and we've touched that. That is the main. That is the main magnet line. Sorry, trend line here going down. So I'll make that just thick for you. There, that's the main one. And we've hit it once already. It could be going up here to hit it again, then come back down. I've got some markings down here. I'm going to read them out to you. 1014, 9215, roughly, guys. 8671, 8153, and 7661. Right, so same sort of thing. I will draw this in for you. What it could be doing, in my opinion, guys. So we could come up here to try again, get knocked back here, and just work our way down here like so. Yeah, work our way down here like so, covering these last magnet lines we got before the takeoff. Yeah, so it could do something like that. You never know. I'm gonna draw it in anyway because people think I'm always on the the down low, as they say. Yeah, if you want hope, the hope even coming in, it could go up here and then bounce back off that main trend line and start working its way back up. But I think it's too soon, but you never know. You never know there. I'll put that in a green for hope. So yeah, either way, guys, either way, if you're going up and it comes over that thick pink trend line and pumps up, we're winning. Everybody's winning. Everybody that's in RYUJIN and holding, that's winning. If it comes back down here, that's when you buy more. That's when I'll buy in, because yeah, we need to get much more RYUJIN, and I'm just waiting for it at least to come back down here, guys, on that level around the 10 and below. Yeah, so I'll just show you the big picture on this one. So we want to see what's happening. I'll give you the daily here. So this is the daily here on RYUJIN. Let's see what's happening on the daily. This is the daily. Let me just squeeze this in for you. So it looks like we're coming to the kind of end, whoops, the end of that cycle here, you see. So if we come back down here, I'll just blow this. If we come back down here and we knock these ones out, these magnet lines out here, we can start going up. As I said previously as well, I will continue doing this. We could come back up here, as I did previously say, the beginning of June, then come back out, then guys, rocket shit up, then break out. Yeah, so at the moment I still think we're too soon. I'll just show you the complete big picture of this one, and yeah, you see we're still on that downtrend. Yeah, sorry to say, we're still on that downtrend, but anytime soon, it's less than a month. It's got to be a month or less, I reckon, or around just over a month. 15th, 16th, 17th of June, you see, we've got about a month left before it breaks out of that triangle, and we could be happy all the way to the stars in RYUJIN. I'm going to go back now to OMIKAMI and just show you that big picture as well, because I don't want to leave anything out, and I want to hear questions from you all in the chat, and to say, where do you think it's going? What do you believe? Let's squeeze this. So yeah, so on OMIKAMI here, it could be, I got a point, see there, the 25th, around 26th of June, that bottoming out there, and then coming out, and then going up. So who knows, guys, who knows? Let me just squeeze this up for you also, just to show you where we've come from. You see that, guys, all the way from up here, this high, what was that, roughly 1194, and we're still on that downtrend. We're ever so close now, only, as I said, around a month, you know. So you haven't got long, guys, we haven't got long to wait. if you're in OMIKAMI region, you just sit on your hands. Don't look, don't try to look at this every day because it drives you mad. I mean, I'm looking at this, but I'm only looking at this because I want to put down more. And if you want to do the same, we just got to micromanage this and just see where it takes us. As I said, anywhere down in these regions, well, you're going to do good and you're going to load up your bag solidly and wait for that almighty pump that could come out anytime there. Yeah. So that was it. That was it, guys. It's a quick one, not too long. I have loads of meme coins that I want to show you that I have pumped already, but that will be at the weekend. I'm flying back home tomorrow. So yeah, please write in and tell me what you think. Any meme coins that you've bought, any meme coins that you thinking of buying in, and I will show you all the ones that I've bought in and the ones that I've pumped and the ones that I hopefully are going to pump soon, because I still there's a 4 or 5. I'm still waiting for the bottom to come in, and I'll tell you at the weekend hopefully which ones I'm going to get and which ones we're going to make a lot of dough on. Okay, all right, on that note, I'll see you real soon. Take it easy. Peace.